Adenine got thymine inside my DNA. I got cytosine, got guanine inside my DNA. I got chromosomes that hold my genes made up of DNA. That's why I'm black and you're white. It's because our DNA. Where are proteins made? The ribosomes. You need to know RNA. First got RNA from DNA. There's two main types of RNA: mRNA, tRNA. This, that, I got RNA that has one strand. There's no thymine, there's uracil. Got adenine to uracil and cytosine to guanine. What's transcription and translation of protein synthesis? Well, it starts off in the nucleus with the DNA. Transcription's in the nucleus, the DNA unwinds. Then an enzyme gives mRNA a gene from DNA. Translations when mRNA skirts to the ribosome, which says to it, I know just who you are. See, use mRNA that has codons which match up with tRNA to make specific amino acids that make up our proteins. The amino acid chain grows until the stop codon is read. Then the protein's function is known by the chain-specific shape. Notice several codons code for the same amino acid. We got GCA and GCG coding for alanine. AUG methionine is the starting codon, and don't forget the three stop codons, UGA and UAA, and lastly UAG. What's mutation? It's a change in the DNA code. Can be good and consequential or possibly bad. Cells turn on specific genes to produce the proteins they need and turn off the genes they don't need for proteins that they don't need. This is called gene expression, which leads to different cells with different roles. The environment affects gene expression. Let's talk about DNA replication since molecules need same DNA. But first, let's review what's inside our DNA. I got adenine, got thymine inside my DNA. I got cytosine, got guanine inside my DNA. I got chromosomes that hold my genes made up of DNA. I got in the nucleus the DNA enzymes. Each strand will be given its opposite base. Tell me something. Is the end result of replication two molecules with the same DNA, yet each chromosome is replicated? Both cells will have 46 chromosomes. Meiosis is a bit complicated. First off, chromosomes replicate. Homologous chromosomes, pair-matching chromosomes, pair up and undergo crossing over, then the pairs divide so that there are four cells that are haploid and genetically different. Meiosis makes cells known as gametes. Segregation of alleles, independent of somatic crossing over, happen during meiosis that will cause variation. Fertilization, fusing two haploid gametes creates a zygote with 46 chromosomes. And mitosis, different from meiosis, makes identical daughter cell. Single file line, this is how they line up before cell division. Gamete, zygote, embryo, this is the order. Inheritance, dealing with alleles. Dominant traits will be expressed. Recessive needs two copies to be expressed. Homozygous, heterozygous, genotype and phenotype. Gene linkage, alleles inherited together. Co-dominance, multiple alleles, polygenic traits are passed dominant and recessive alleles. No natural selection vocab. Also comparative embryology, comparative biochemistry, comparative anatomy show common ancestry. Now go to passed on DNA.